What is now the status of the Tagum-Davao-Digos Railway? Congress allocated 36 billion pesos and we were told that this was included in the General Appropriation Act for 2018. And also in addition, will we be able to see the construction of Davao-Samal Bridge?
Yes, ma'am. Sa Tagum-Davao-Digos Railway, wala ako actually na-update because this is a project of the national government and under DOTR. So it is best siguro if we ask them to DOTR to give us an update on this project. But since mag-start sila sa Tagum, I think siguro nandoon pa nakafocus yung kanilang ang kanilang effort kasi also ang depot nandoon sa Tagum. Oo, for the railway. So hindi masyado ako familiar sa details ng project. Update ng project. Sa Davao-Samal Bridge, ito yung isa sa mga ni-request natin sa national government for Davao City. 1950s pa lang, Davao-Samal Bridge has been talked about. So hopefully, during the presidency of President Duterte, during the administration of President Duterte, magawa yung Davao-Samal Bridge. It will help Samal, and I think it will improve tourism, both Davao City and Samal. Yes.
Thank you so much, Mayor. And here, of course, the President mentioned in his fourth SONA that the Davao Airport will be the last in his priorities. What do you think about it?
Yes, ma'am. Naintindihan ko yan with the President. Actually, hindi lang ang airport, sa lahat, no? Kasi ayaw niya na sabihin na nag-take advantage ang Davao City sa presidency niya. So, naintindihan ko yan na filosofiya ni President Duterte. That's why also bihira kami humingi ng tulong from the national government even if si President Duterte ang president kasi naintindihan namin na baka sabihin ng ibang lugar na bakit doon madaming binigay, bakit dito sa amin ganito pa rin kami. So he is not President Rodrigo Duterte is not Davao City anymore, unfortunately. He is the Philippines already. No? Oo. So, tinetemper namin ang nire-request namin from the national government. And also, Davao City, kahit noon pa man, natutunan ko din yan kay President Duterte na kung ano yung kaya natin with our own resources, with our own budget, doon lang tayo umikot. Huwag masyado humingi ng tulong sa national government. So, although meron, of course, nagre-request tayo, but not as siguro kung ine-expect ng mga tao na parang malaki para makita kaagad kung ano yung progress and development. Hindi ganyan. Gumagamit pa rin tayo. We still rely a large part sa resources ng city government of Davao.